Welcome everyone to the annual University of Pittsburgh program in microbiology and immunology recruitment weekend. Um, and thanks for downloading this and taking a look at my laboratory, the laboratory for studying immunity on bacterial colonization at the University of Pittsburgh. So this is the amazing group of people who have chosen to spend at least the next couple of years pursuing their scientific careers in my laboratory. And for those of you who don't know Pittsburgh well, this, of course, is our beautiful downtown. And just to introduce you to where my laboratory is, the UPMC Children's Hospital is up here on the top of this hill, about 2 miles northeast of downtown. And coincidentally, it's on the top of a hill, just up the hill from Pittsburgh's coolest neighborhood, as a service to recruitment if you do decide to come to Pittsburgh. So what does our laboratory do? So the entire laboratory is focused on trying to understand the relationship between the microbiome and the immune system, with the idea that our immune system really evolved concurrently with the microbiome, and one of the main functions of the immune system is to maintain a healthy relationship with these organisms long term, so you can live a long and healthy life. And given this coevolution, we think any mechanisms that we uncover with regards to the intestinal immune system might be globally applicable across the immune system. So, of course, as you might imagine, this relationship doesn't exist in a vacuum. And so one of the main interests in the lab is trying to understand how this relationship is modified by its environment. And we look at different environmental factors such as disease, like IBD or infection, or shifts in the diet, and how that actually feeds into this process and shifts this relationship. More recently, we've been trying to understand how this relationship can actually also affect the outcomes of tumor immunotherapy and long-term vaccination, which leads us to one of really the main focuses of the lab and the focuses of my entire career, which is trying to understand how the microbiome might shift immunological memory. And recently we've been very interested in this because if you're going to study bacterial colonization, memory is important because an immune memory response can be propagated throughout the life of the organism. And indeed, as we've recently shown, via the provision of maternal antibodies, either in the placenta or via breast milk, actually a mother can actually deliver her memory immune response to her children to protect them against infection. So thanks for your time. And please, if you are interested in this and want to learn more, please feel free to contact me at this email address or check us out on Twitter.